Class 12 board exams for better or worse, Boris Johnson will be forced to shush. The real vaccine finder tool by Facebook, bicycles for mental health, La Liga title race is tight. Hello, and my name is Rajveer and you're watching the WIM Daily News. Bristol Bike Club helps young people tackle mental health. A bike repair project has begun to help young people learn new skills and talk about their mental health. It is based at BS14 Youth Club in Bristol and is run by charities like Life Cycle UK, Young Bristol and Off the Record. The mission is set to up a permanent bike workshop at the club, as well as change perceptions in the community of young people riding bikes. Youth leader Tom Stockley said that the bikes was a good way to start conversations about mental health. $1 million worth of COVID aid was sent to India by China. The Indian Foreign Affairs Minister said India was at the brink of war almost a year ago. Now our friends, as overall the nation has come over with the drifts with China and are now taking the situation as a humanitarian point. China now as friends provided 100 oxygen concentrators, 40 ventilators and other supplies, and the cash assistance through the Global Red Cross. CBSE Class 12 board exams now cancelled for better or worse. A section of students of Class 12 have been demanding to cancel the CBSE Class 12 board exams in view of the second wave of COVID-19. However, many experts say that the cancelling of board exams is not a good idea. Many suggest that the Class 12 board exams are crucial for judging the students' performance who wish to apply for various entrance exams, and evaluating them only on the basis of internal assessments will not do justice to some students. The WIM believes that some students can put their head up and study in long breaks and be relaxed. Sadiq Khan once again the London Mayor. Sadiq Khan was re-elected London Mayor on Saturday as had been widely expected. The Pakistan-originated Khan had become the first Muslim mayor of a Western capital when first elected in 2016. Now a little more on London politics. Sadiq Khan's major opposition included Nico. Nico Omilana, a self-proclaimed supreme leader of the Nico Defence League, who released a full-page manifesto in which the first point said Boris Johnson will be forced to shush. His motive is to run the whole country on vibes. This guy was a famous YouTuber, now turned vibing politician. Had his budget just vibes compared to others whose average budget was 42 lakh INR. He became the fifth at the end of the day in the London elections, with 50,000 people voting for him. Facebook launches in-app vaccine finder tool in India. Facebook said in a post on its platform, partnering with the Government of India, Facebook will be rolling out its vaccine finder tool on the Facebook mobile app in India, available in 17 languages to help people identify nearby places to get the vaccine. The tracker too will also aggregate and display walk-in options for 45-year-olds and above with a link to register on the CoWIN portal and schedule vaccination appointments. New Apple update enables iPhone users to unlock their phone with the mask on. iOS 14.5 brings exciting new features to the iPhone, including the ability to unlock iPhone with Apple Watch while wearing a mask. More diverse Siri voices with new privacy controls. Users will be able to see which apps have requested permission to track so they can make changes to their choice anytime. Total privacy. The Premier League table battle, relegation and Arsenal. West Brom are now relegated after a heavy loss 3-1 to Arsenal. Big Sam, the manager who specializes in teams to not be relegated, has put a dent in his CV now. It is not sunk yet, but I'm sure I'll wake up tomorrow and realize the situation, said Sam. La Liga, 77, 75, 75 and 71. In Real Madrid vs Sevilla, Hazard scored a 94th minute deflected goal after Cruz's wonderful strike kept them in the title race. Sevilla now are at 71 and Real Madrid second on the table. Again behind them at 75 points, Barca just below on goal difference. Atletico Madrid remain on top of the table with 77 points. Get the latest news updates on youth, youngsters and kids, like, share and subscribe to the World Youth Media channel, and to be notified whenever we upload a new video, click the bell icon. Stay home, stay safe.